Hi all! Students, last time we have seen how to manage text messages, how to encode text message. For that we have used ASCII rules. Now we have to manage, as you know it very well, information can be presented in the form of pictures also. So to manage images or pictures, RGB rules are used. So RGB means what? RGB is nothing but it stands for basic primary colors, that is red, green and blue. So for images, RGB rules are used to encode the picture. Computer stores image in the form of pixel. Now what is meant by pixel? Pixel is the smallest unit of image. It is a basic logical unit. As you can see in the pictures, a particular picture is stored in the form of squares. So that is nothing but a small pixel. So to represent a particular image, many pixels are combined to form a complete image. Pixel is, as the name suggests, pixel. It has taken from two words. One is picture plus element. That is pixel. Pixel is represented by a dot or a square on a display screen. So while representing image, that image is converted into pixel, as you can see in the picture. Each pixel is a mix of RGB color. Here, different amount of red, green and blue is mixed together to form a specific shade. So mixing of shade is done according to different values of color or shade. For RGB, we can use from 0 to 255. So depending on the which value we are using for RGB, we can get a particular shade. For example, if we want red shade, here just observe the picture. If we want, just consider if we want particular black color in the image, then the value of red will be 0, value of green will be 0 and the value of blue will be 0. Suppose in particular image we want red color. In that case, the value of red will be 255, whereas the value of green will be 0 and blue will be 0. So depending on different value, we can form different shade. And then that is getting converted into pixel. So for simple picture, you can have millions of pixel, and then that is converted in the form of 0 and 1. So for millions of pixel, we can have 0 and 1. So it may occupy more space or more data which is required to hold particular digital image. So images are compressed to utilize storage space properly. And compressed file means we reduce its file size. So data is compressed, and as per compression take compressed file take less storage space and we can transfer quickly on the network. So this is regarding image. Now let us see how to manage audio file or sound file. So as you know that whatever the file type is there, whether it is text file, image file, audio file or video file, that is converted in the form of computer understandable form, that is encoded in the form of 0 and 1. So whenever sound file and audio file is there as an input, maybe it is from microphone. So microphone converts audio signal to electrical signals, and the signals are then converted into binary format in the form of 0 and 1, which computer can understand. So there are also rules to represent sound files, and that rules are MP3, WAV, WMF file types. So like images, audio files also need compression to utilize the storage space properly and transfer of file over the network. Like audio, video is also one of the file type, and for that also some specific rules are used. So as the name suggests, video is nothing but a collection of lot of images and sound file together. It consists of our audio and many images which are flipped quickly. To convert video into digital format, we need to convert both files in the form of 0 and 1, that is audio file, and whatever the several images are there we are using together, that also we have to convert into digital format. So while converting, we use some of the bitmap images. So particularly here in video, one image is called a frame, and to get the video effect, many frames are put together one after another, plus we have to use sound files to get the effect. So depending upon how many pixels are there in a bitmap, the quality of picture represents. While storing image digitally, higher the number of pixels, you will get the better digital quality. So a television, generally you know it very well, a television with larger screens can have more pixels, and that's why we can get the better picture quality. So these are the rules used for video encoding to create the digital video, that are DVD, MPG, HD. So a rule such as HD uses 1080 pixel or 720 pixel per frame. So as we are using more number of pixel per frame, we will get the better quality of the video. The higher video and the audio quality, naturally we will require more number of zeros and ones to represent that video digitally. So this is regarding video. Thank you.